Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to come up with video ideas for your YouTube channel. So stay tuned. I'm Jay Carter from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better at YouTube. I'm a YouTube certified marketer, and I've been able to grow my YouTube channel to over 35,000 subscribers, bring in over 400,000 views per month, and create an income that has allowed me to go full-time on YouTube and creating content online. And I want to help you do the same. So if you've looked at my channel, you will know that I've put out over 2,000 videos. So coming up with video ideas is something that is not a difficulty for me whatsoever. I can always have a new video idea ready to come out the next week. And there are a few ways you can do this. I'm going to show you 3 ways that I suggest beginners to use to come up with good video ideas that people already want, because that's very, very important. Instead of just coming up with video ideas, coming up with video ideas that people already want gives you the opportunity to bring people to your channel, instead of what a lot of people do is they create a video and try to make other people want it. They try to persuade other people to want this video, and that's just not going to work. You need to make videos that people already want, and then it's much easier to get people to watch those videos because they already want them. And I'll explain a little bit more in this video. First of all, I want to show you my content planning database. Generally, I used to use Trello. I've started moving to Google Sheets, but I just want to show you that I've got a bunch of video ideas here, right? So as you can see, this is for my Grow on YouTube stuff. These are the video ideas that I've noted down from Trello. And as you can see, I've also noted down a bunch of the competition and search volumes for most of the ideas that I was thinking about dealing with. And then we've got some videos that I'm going to try to rank next to in suggested videos. And that's going to be very, very interesting because I haven't really used that on my channel yet. So that's another strategy that you should be looking forward to in my future videos. But as you can see, we've got a bunch of video ideas. We've got over like 60, and then we've got more video ideas over here. We've got a bunch of video ideas, videos for entrepreneurship, videos for my affiliates, promoting the different programs that I use and I'm an affiliate for, so different tutorials around that and stuff like that. So how do you come up with all these video ideas? How do you come up with video ideas, and how do you make sure that you are getting ideas that people already want, right? This is actually very, very easy. It's very, very easy. If you can search on YouTube, you can come up with video ideas, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Depending on what niche your channel is, it's going to be a little bit different, but you want to basically search for videos around your niche. So let's just use gaming as an example because it's just the easiest. It's the one that I know about, and it's something that people who are watching this will probably understand as well. So let's say you got a gaming channel and you are playing Anthem, because you know everyone's talking about Anthem now. What you do is you type in Anthem how to, and as you can see, we've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ideas, although 2 of these are the same. So let's say we got 9, we'll go down to 8 to make it, you know, we'll just go down a little bit. We've got 8 ideas already. We've got 8 ideas already that people are already searching for. People are searching for how to change javelin, how to change weapon, how to deactivate the barrier, how to get new javelin. You already know that people are doing this. So what I do now is I'd copy this. Obviously, we've gone into this. We can see what other people are doing and what kind of views they're getting. They've got, you know, 36k views, 9.7k views. Good stuff. Not bad. Not bad. Very, very, you know, nice numbers that you can bring to your YouTube channel. And what I generally do next is I'd use TubeBuddy to see what the search volume is and what the competition is for this particular key phrase. So we'll go to Keyword Explorer in TubeBuddy. If you haven't got TubeBuddy already, go to tubebuddy.com/jcarteray. Download that. It's completely free unless you upgrade and you want to get some of the more in-depth, deeper features, which you don't need to do this. You don't need that yet. You'll need that when you have a bunch of videos and you're ready to do this thing properly. But right now, just get the free version. And if you want to upgrade, you can use the code Jay'sBuddy to get 20% off TubeBuddy, I believe, and that's great stuff. So what we'll do now is we'll paste in the key phrase that we got from searching YouTube, and we'll see if this is any good to target. As you can see, it says it's good. It says it's 56. Search volume's poor, but poor on YouTube. Got that guy 36,000 views. So competition's quite low. As you can see, it says excellent, and it says optimization strength is excellent, meaning this guy probably hasn't optimized his video. Let's check it out. I doubt it, because most people just don't. Most people don't know what they're doing, especially most gaming YouTubers. So let's see if he's optimized his video correctly, because he did have a good description actually, but he probably doesn't have good tags. People like to slack on the tags. Yeah, tags. His tags are okay, but trash. You could do better. You could do better. He definitely could add more tags there, but he's done enough. He's done enough to claim the top spot, because no one else is really challenging him, and no one else has okay SEO basically. As you can see, this is not great SEO. This is really the bare minimum, and this is a great opportunity. This means that if you were to make this video right now and you was to use my YouTube for Noobs system and basically rank #1 using my advice, you would basically get all the views that are currently going to this guy. You'd just kick him out of the way and grab those for yourself, and you could take over the Anthem gaming scene if you really wanted to. But as you can see, we could get way more ideas from here. Just type in the game name and then how, and then you'll see a bunch of ideas. You should write all of these down. That's what I would have done. And then you can type the game name and then where, and you got a bunch more ideas, and you can keep on doing this. You can keep on doing this, keep on searching for all this stuff. And then let's see how. Oh no, we already done how. Let's see what. As you can see, so use all the question words: who, what, why, how, where, and see what comes up. Note all of those down, and now you've got over 30 different ideas in less than 5 minutes, right? So lovely stuff. You've already got a bunch of ideas that people actively want. So if you put this video out, you rank #1 for it, you're going to see some nice results there. So what's #2? #2 was actually using TubeBuddy to search different search terms. But generally what I do with TubeBuddy is I would get a search term from YouTube, and then I'll just pop that into TubeBuddy. That's what I suggest to do with TubeBuddy. I wouldn't go into TubeBuddy and actually try to find new ideas from there, but you could try, but I wouldn't suggest it. So let's go into here. It says Anthem, what javelin should you pick? This is a better score than the previous video, so this would be something that you'd actually try to go with. And then on the right you'll see a bunch of most used tags and related videos. Right about now it's not showing us any of them, but related videos would be a good thing for you to actually check out, because then you'd know, okay, like these are the videos that are related to this, these may be other videos that I may want to do. And you can go to results and check through here and see what other things are coming up. You can go to trending and see if there's anything over there. You may find a few new ideas from there. But the next thing that I want to show you is to basically go to a channel that's in the same niche as you. So either playing the same game, doing the same kind of content. For example, this year I'm going to focus a lot on YouTube marketing and online business and making content around that to help people get to where they want to be in life and do something that they actually love. So the type of people I would be looking at are people like Roberto Blake and Sunny Lenarduzzi and maybe other YouTube educators like Nick Nimmin and Daryl Eves and video creators and stuff like that. So let's actually go to Daryl Eves' YouTube channel. And then what you want to do is go to a channel from someone who makes similar content to you, go to their videos, and when you go to their videos, you want to sort by most popular. And what you're doing here is you're seeing the videos that work. You're seeing the videos that work a lot, and you're seeing what people actively want. So right about now, I could make a video on how to properly upload videos to YouTube. That would be super easy for me to do that. And maybe I'd get a bunch of views doing that. And basically I can look through this and see what's working for Daryl Eves, and I can apply that to my channel, and I can just use all of these video ideas, try to make a way better version or an updated version. Because look, this is like 6 years ago, 5 years ago, 5 years ago. I can try to make a better version of that, an updated version that maybe targets a specific type of video or type of editing software or whatever, and all that sort of stuff. Maybe get a little bit more specific, or just add more to make it a better video, or just add my own twist on it, like just present it in my own way. Like, I'm a different person. People are going to enjoy, well, some people are going to enjoy my presentation more than they'd like Daryl Eves' presentation. Although Daryl Eves is very good at what he does. Very, very, very good. I'm a big fan of Daryl Eves. I think he's great at what he does. Not trying to shit on him or to say that I'm better than him at all. But you have to remember that just because someone else has done something doesn't mean you can't do it as well, because everyone's different and everyone relates to different people. So I want to go to, we'll go to one more channel. We'll go to one of these Anthem channels and we'll see what's going on there. But Anthem is a bit weird because it's a game that just came out, so there's not going to be a channel that basically focuses on Anthem. So maybe if we go to GTA Online, we'll see like GTA funny moments and all that sort of BS. Okay, this guy has a big GTA video. This guy does a bunch of GTA stuff, so we'll go to his videos. Although you're probably not going to get great results from doing this for a lot of gamers, but you might do. You might do. Just don't do exactly what they're doing, because especially if they got loads more subscribers than you, that plays a part into why these videos are popping off. But that also means that people do want those videos if people are actually watching it. So here we can see the type of videos that are really working on this channel. Spending sprees. What happens when you let a dancer stay over? DLC, free mode, special stuff. What happens if blah, blah, blah. How to get rare cars, planes, blah. How to set up, blah, blah, blah. As you can see, tutorials are the ones that are going to rank and bring in the most types of things. And then you can feed those to your other videos. But you can do this for basically any channel that's making similar content to you, and you can see what's working for them, what's not working for them, and you can focus more on what's working for you. And you should do this on your own channel as well. Look at your own most popular videos and make more content around the stuff that's actually working for you. But if you haven't made any videos that are working yet, this is what you do. Now, I hope this video has helped you out. It's been a bit long and I've given you a lot of information. So just remember, use YouTube search, use TubeBuddy to qualify those search results, and also check out the popular videos on channels that are similar to yours. And that is how you can come up with a bunch of video ideas and find the best video ideas that people actually want to watch already. Don't try and persuade people to watch something that they don't want to watch. Make videos that people actually want to watch already. That is the better way to get out there and to get new people to your channel. I hope this video has helped you out. Also, if you want to learn more about the strategy that I use to grow my YouTube gaming channel and go full-time online, then I created a free course that walks you through the 5-step system that I use. Just go to growonyoutube.com/free course. That link will be in the description. It will be, you know, up in the corner and all that sort of stuff. Go sign up for that. And also when you sign up for that, you'll be added to my daily email list. And this is very, very great. Like, this is something that you want to be on, because every single day I am putting out a YouTube tip, a story from my life, some YouTube inspiration, stuff around YouTube to help you learn how to grow your channel, how to go full-time, and learn more stuff about YouTube. So if that sounds interesting to you, you want to hear, you know, my gems, my tips, my strategies, go to growonyoutube.com/free course. You'll learn a lot of stuff. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what other types of videos you want to see here. And I will see you in the next YouTube guide, because I'm going to be coming out with loads more of this content. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications and all that sort of great stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.